Hello from the team at Wood Finishes Direct, and for this one, we've got a special guest.
I'm Gareth from Squid Woodcraft. You've probably got an ugly looking fence in your garden and you want to spruce it up a bit. That's an adequate fence. Not particularly nice to look at though, is it? So what we're going to do today is spruce it up. What I've got here is a lot of battens.
While Gareth is getting ready to cut our battens, let's introduce the tin we're going to be using on the wood. Suitable for internal and external use, and it comes in many tints. It's highly flexible, resists flaking and peeling, dries to a semi-gloss finish, and is rainproof in 20 minutes. As Gareth says,
that is going to make it look absolutely top-notch. These battens are 6.5 feet long, so we're going to need to cut them down to 6 foot. So now we've got all our battens cut to length, we're going to be putting on a wood preserver now, just to keep out all the nasties, all the bugs.
Even if you have bought exterior pre-treated timber, it's always best practice to coat with a preserver before fixing.
What I'm using is just some black weed matting. You can get it available anywhere, and it's going to make our battens stand out an awful lot more. It's the fun stuff with a nail gun, and what I'm going to do is just nail in one side, so if I don't actually get it straight, I can always just adjust it. Mind your fingers. What I've done with one of my offcuts, I've just trimmed it down to a 10mm thickness, just to give me equal spacing all along my boards.
As Gareth cracks on, if you don't have a nail gun, you could use a good old hammer and nails, or if you've always fancied owning a nail gun, you can pick up electric ones for as little as 20 quid. Go on, treat yourself.
It's always good to take regular breaks. You're going to get blind. Complacency sets in. Admire what you've done, because you won't see it right up close like this.
And now it's time to apply the first coat of Sadolin Quick Dry UV Protection Woodstain. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Go on, say it, Gareth.
Ideally, in the real world, you would do this prior to fitting it to the wall, but we don't need to here. We're using the light oak colour just to give it a bit of a pop. Gives it a nice golden sheen as well, so you can see where you've been. It's got roughly about a 20-minute drying time, depending on the weather, wherever you are. Do it on a nice sunny day. It can dry up in 20 minutes. Ideally, you would want to give it a good 3 coats to give it maximum penetration into the wood.
This is how it looks after 3 coats. A simple but stunning transformation of a garden fence, and safe in the knowledge it's fully protected from all UK weather will throw at it, including the sun, if it comes out. Huge thanks to Gareth from Squid Woodcraft. All his details are in the blurb below. Give him a follow, and if you need to know more, remember the wood care experts are always happy to help on 01303 477 555.